Just starting to get back into it. Should have this side finished in a half an hour or so, and then we'll just get on, and still got this one to do, so a little while to go. Well, I got one side done. That took me a fair few hours, 2 hours or so. Actually, probably 2.5 hours. Get the gear on ready, took me a bit more. But what I was going to say is, my mate does this between races. How the hell? I do not know. Finished. All looking sweet. Higher compression has made it a little bit more lumpier than what it was with the hot cam in it. I'm going to fill it up with fuel.